Hello, my name is Camila Oza, and now I am talking about my cats and some characteristics of cats. First, I show you Kitty. She is Kitty. Say hello, Kitty. Kitty is 1 year old, but in human years she has 18 years old. Kitty is older than me. Kitty is very lazy and she likes play with balls, papers, toys, dots, irons, some animals. And she is Kitty. And then is Lulu. She is Lulu. Say hello, Lulu. Lulu is 9 years old, but in human years she has 55 years old. Lulu is very lazy, very lazy. She loves sleep all day and she likes play too, but with my dad's feet. Sometimes Lulu and Kitty go out at night with his friends, and they come back when I wake up to go to the university. Some characteristics of cats: their life expectancy is 50 years approximately. There are many races. Some cats don't have hair, another with long hair, some cats born without a tail. Cats have nails, also used in case of danger or catch their prey. Cats have an excellent vision at night and an excellent health. Only 1 in 300 cats are male, are tricolor cats. And this is it. Bye.